So hard, put 'em up for the Niners. Yeah, the city right behind you. Who the 5-time NFL Super Bowl champs? Could you please remind them?
What's up, YouTube? Joe Asian here. So got some more pickups today. So we got some Niners cards, 2 packs of 2012 rookies and stars, and a box of 2012 prominence. So first off, we have a Kendall Hunter rookie card out of platinum, some gem mint condition. A Alex Smith and Frank Gore dual jersey, rookie jerseys from Rookie Reflections, and a Vernon Davis jersey autograph 8 out of 50. And I can pair this up with my Vernon Davis jersey autograph 16 of 75. So this is the bronze parallel, and this is the green parallel. So I don't know if you can see the colors there, but green, brown. So I can pair those up together. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open up the packs of rookie and stars, and then we'll open up the box of prominence. So we got one fatty and one skinny pack. Open up the skinny pack first, and hopefully the fatty won't be a decoy. So first off, we have a Brennan Jacobs. That's nice, and this looks a little bit different from the one I got from Troy, but Brennan Jacobs. Here's a Sean Phillips insert. A Ed Reed. Oh, that's nice. This is 50 out of 249. Ed Reed longevity. I'm not sure what parallel that would be, but here's a Kellen Moore rookie card. A Michael Crabtree. So we got 2 Niners. Ryan Matthews. Here's the Ed Reed regular and a little chrome version, and a Jamal Charles. So onto the fatty pack. Oh, I think it is a decoy. Yeah, it is a decoy. Ooh. Okay, Devin Hester, Brendan Pettigrew. Here's a Devin Hester True Blue insert. A Bryce Brown rookie. Sharp Mendenhall, Brandon Lloyd ex-Niner, Willis McGahee, and Beanie Wells. Alright, so moving on to box of prominence. Want to preserve the box. Okay, here we go. 1 pack, 8 cards, 2 autographs, and 1 memorabilia per box. Okay. Oh, there's a die cut in here. Let me see if there's a parallel in the... Okay, so two parallels in the back. Okay. Alright, so we have a Blaine Gabbert. 504 out of 897. A Ryan Fitzpatrick, 34 out of 897. Michael Vick, 336 out of 897. Another Warren Moon. We keep hitting Warren Moons lately. 803 out of 879. A legend card. Here's a Randall Cunningham. Pretty nice. My first of him. 664 out of 897. And here we have a very nice helmet autograph of Robert Turbin. That's nice. Robert Turbin helmet autograph. Sweet. 93 out of 150. Not bad, not bad. And, oh, okay, this is not bad either. Here's a die cut 2-color patch of Trent Richardson. So, 2-color patch of Trent Richardson die cut. And this is 13 out of 49. 13 out of 49. Not bad. And our last hit is a die cut of Nick Perry rookie autograph, which is also not bad either. This is 490 out of 499. I believe most of the rookie autographs are die cuts anyways, but still really nice design, pretty nice. Nick Perry, 490 out of 499. Okay, so there you guys have it. Well, I guess do a little. Well, don't really need to do a recap. It was a quick video, but there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
That's Smith crack. That's Smith crack. That's Smith crack.